Welcome to Little John's Yarns. I'm Alicia, and today we are going to do a yarn review of the KnitCrate yarn subscription. I have been eyeing this yarn for such a long time. I've seen it on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. So I was fortunate enough, KnitCrate sent me a 3-month supply of this KnitCrate yarn. So every single month I'm going to give you a review and my honest opinion on this yarn. So I'm not going to talk too long. I'm going to show you this beautiful, luscious yarn that I received. So let's take it down to the table and look at this yarn up close. Let's hop right into it and open up this box. I love getting yarn in the mail. Ooh, this is beautiful. But let's check out everything that we got inside first. So we got our 2 skeins of yarn. We have our magazine and pattern book. And what is this? We have a tote bag. I tend to get a lot of these. I'm like a tote bag collector because I'm always having my yarn in these things. Oh, why can't I open it? There it is. What's it say? Yarn Squad. That's cute. So let's get into the more interesting stuff. So each month you get a KnitCrate's magazine book. It includes what's going on, details about the yarn. You have 2 crochet patterns. Let's look at the crochet patterns. And you have 2 knit patterns. So here are the 2 crochet, 1, 2, and the 2 knit, 1 and 2. I'm not going to show you all the details of it because I don't want to give away the pattern. But that's pretty cute. I did not complete a finished sample because I didn't want to make a scarf. I have a hat in mind for this. Hopefully I'll have a tutorial for that later. So let's get into the fun part of it. The yarn. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It is just so soft. I wish you can be on my side of the camera and feel how soft it is. Look at this twinkle. I don't even know if my camera is even picking up the sparkle correctly. So let me tell you a little bit about this yarn. This is called the Audine Wool Twinkle DK yarn. The color of this one is called Roller Skates. This is their more natural colors. It's a blend of 80% merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% stellina. Stellina is that sparkle that you're seeing in the yarn. And if you're wondering if that stellina is scratchy or itchy, because you know when you get that sparkly yarn, it can have a little scratchiness against your skin. This is so soft. The stellina is so soft within it. When you have like a combination of 80% merino and 10% cashmere, you are going to have such soft yarn. So I'm about to work this into a cake and do a little swatch sample for you. Like I said, I did not do a completed project because I want to make a hat with this yarn. So let me cut the camera and show you my swatch. I worked up some swatches so you can see how this yarn looks. And for us crocheters, I absolutely love this yarn. I didn't notice any splitting while crocheting at all. Right now I am using a 4mm crochet hook. And let me show you what the finished swatch looks like. Look at the sparkle of that yarn. And let me show you, I did a little quick knit swatch on my Addy circular knitter. It is so soft. So I'm ready to take this yarn back up to the table and give you my final review. All right, you got to see the yarn up close and it is beautiful, but this would not be an honest review if I didn't tell you some of the gripes I have with this membership packaging. When you order your membership, you have the option of picking the color palettes that you want each month. One's called Energize, Natural, Chill Out, and Anything Goes. Well, personally, I love bright colors. It's beautiful, so I wanted to pick the Energize package. Unfortunately, it was all sold out. Actually, there were like 2 of them sold out, so the option that I had to choose from was the Anything Goes. I'm assuming the Anything Goes package is they'll ship you whatever they have on stock that's left over. So that's what I'm guessing. But the yarn was beautiful though, I can't lie. Hopefully next month I'll show you what type of yarn to get. Cross your fingers for something bright and vibrant. So what you get in your membership every month, you'll receive 2 skeins of yarn. You'll receive a little gift bag, a gift of some sort. Also, you'll receive the KnitCrate's magazine. It shows you what's sneak peek for next month, things that's going on, information about your yarn, 2 crochet patterns and 2 knit patterns, all in here. So the price of all of this comes to $26.99. But if you choose the eco-friendly packaging, with that you don't get that little box that it comes in, and all the magazine and the patterns is all downloadable. That is $24.99, so you can save $2. It's definitely worth it. But if you use the coupon code Little Johns, That information will be down below. You can receive 20% off your very first month's shipment. So just to let you know that information is down below. So are you guys ready for my final review of KnitCrate's yarn? On a scale of 1 to 5 balls of yarn, I'm going to give this yarn this month 4 balls of yarn. I'm taking away 1 ball of yarn because I wasn't able to receive a bright, vibrant color that I wanted. But if I am going to order this yarn again from their website, I'm going to order this, but in a different color. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure you check out all my other reviews on my channel, and I'll see you on the very next video. Bye.